Yes, my people, welcome back to Tenacious Trading Group. Just gonna go over NQ very quickly. As you guys already know, I trade between 3 to 5 p.m. UK time. As you guys can see at the bottom, it is 3 o'clock right now. And if I go to my 1 hour chart, we can see that price is bullish because we are making higher highs and higher lows. How do I know that? Took out this high, took out this high, and I potentially might be taking out this high. So we are clearly very, very bullish. SMA is also bullish as well. But initially, if this is my weak high, this is my protected low. To be fair, yeah, weak high. Everything is just internal structure. And when I go down to my 5 minute time frame, obviously we had that strong move up. But if we go to my, looks like price is tapped into this SNDR. So you could always have it as one, two, three, four, five. I mean, I wouldn't say this is the SNDR, but it's an area of supply and demand. And do it from this low to this high here. You can see we come close to tapping the 618, but we do at least mitigate the 50%. We tap into this wick fractal right there, and then price continues higher, and then price continues higher. So I'm gonna go down to my 5 minute time frame. This is what it looks like, but price is below the SMA, so I wouldn't have necessarily taken this trade. But if you just let price play out, go to the 1 minute. Okay, so prices has tapped up to 618. I mean, sorry, the 200 SMA, but we can see that we took out this high, and this is not validated swing high. This is not validated swing high. We end up taking out this low. Had a pullback, took out this low. Then we've taken out this high. So if I just clear my charts, I mean, this SPS model 1 could be very subjective because you could have it like this, where this is your 1, it's your 2, 3, sweeps, 4, 5, and then that's the move that you use, where you like for price to bounce and push higher. I mean, you could also use this area here, but essentially still the same thing. And yeah, so that would have been my trade personally. And then obviously price shoots up, but now we've gone way past our trading time. But now we can see that price is taking out this high. So now we can start looking for things that can help us take the trade higher. And price continues higher. So I mean, if you saw this one here, then that's lovely. If you didn't, it's also cool. It's not that deep. Today wasn't the greatest day in terms of price actions that we've had. But that's what's gonna happen on News Mondays. What do you expect? And then for gold, if I go to my 1 hour chart, price is bullish. If I go to my 5 minute chart, price is also bullish. If I go to my 1 minute chart, price also should be bullish. Yep. So all we're gonna be doing is be looking for continuation, and we have this area here. Now this money area here. I mean, if I drop my fib from this low to this high, you don't quite tap to 50%. I mean, if I get up the other level, basically the DTFX way, we do at least want to get the 30%. Because you could also have this as the SPS as 1, 2, 3 price sweeps, 4, 5. But then it's just not ideal. But it is SPS. It's just not ideal for me personally, for me to be trying to entertain this. But I mean, it is valid though. It is really valid, but price takes at the high, and yeah, so we come down to 5 now. So I mean, I'll be honest, it wasn't really much unless you was feeling a bit courageous and then you wanted to take a trade off this after this sweep here. But overall, it's not something I will take. If anything, low to this high, and then now this is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3. Wait for 4, 5. Also wait and see how the SMA plays out. And then yeah. I wait. To be fair, let's see what happens. Let me close it out. So look, we tap the 618, and then look what happens. Price gives us at least a. So price gives us at least a 1-to-1 from the 618. So 1, 2, 4, and then 5. Price taps to 618, taps this imbalance, creates a double bottom. Where look, low, high. So yeah, and then obviously, as you guys can see here, with this low did not have enough juice to take out this high. So this ends up being a weak low, and hopefully price is gonna end up running this low, potentially tapping to do anything here and then pushing up, or we're just gonna tap into things beneath us, because there are a lot of lows that price might want to sweep, where it could take out this low, this low, this low, this. It really depends. But overall, when you go to a higher time frame, which is the 1 hour chart, we can see that price is bullish, and we understand that we have to do what? Pull back, expand, pull back, expand. So now potentially we're in the pullback phase, where price wants to pull back, tap into something on our left, and then continue to make higher highs and higher lows. But yeah, not much going on today. That's it for me today. I wish you guys a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, and a good night, wherever you are in the world. And always remember, guys, that victory belongs to the most tenacious. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.